Molweni emakhaya, igama nguleko wakwaDingane. You guys probably know me as Ukenji TMZ. TMZ standing for the Trap Monk Za Azania. Fumaneka apha qha out the shop yaseBhayi, apha eBhayi ndiwase Soweto on Sea, born and raised. I'm a musician. Andizothi ndiyi-rapper because I make music. Yeah, well, it could be hip hop, it could be trap, it could be rap, it could be R&B, it could be sexy drill, or I can just produce or songwrite for many artists. Sizozibiza confidentially, fana nje namaphepha kagqirha. But yeah, I'm a musician. Ijourney yami yomculo, guys, yaqala kudala. Like I've always like I grew up in a family, or I mean in a music orientated family yabo. Time lami ngumuntu obethanda uthi ebuya eSpani, andithuma iCoca-Cola yabo, anti manifake iCD yakhe kaTeddy Pendergrass yabo, manifake iCD yakhe yeCommodores yabo, ke ngihlale nami yabo and suck in bone the music and all that yabo. From there I fell in love with those songs yabo. Ibe kukho umkhulu wami laxesha kuthiwa nguBhasi, rest in peace yabo, one introduce hip hop, Tupac, B.I.G, 50 Cent was booming at the time yabo. In the club sithanda badlala ke jukebox ke thina yabo, sikhule ngesikhathi se jukebox yabo, nephuli sidlala umdu, sidlala Brown Dash kanje. So esigela yabo bendingumjita obechazeka yi-poetry yabo. I think that was around about grade 5, grade 6 yabo. Yayingichaza poetry because like at every end of the sentence bone baya rhyme ababana, and I'm like, damn, this is so cool to read bone. And I started like doing poetry, like writing my own things. Obviously benintwana encane yabo, so into zami wouldn't bone make sense bone, into zidiftarh yabo, Shakespeare kanje yabo. I couldn't shake the spear, I can only touch it yabo, if you get my gist. But poetry yami ndandithanda uyirecitela uStam omncinci, who you now know as uNolita yabo. She's also a musician, a dope one by the way yabo. Ndandithanda uzirecitela yena yabo. And then this one day kufike ubrother wami omkhulu with two dudes yabo, baphethe iCD. Bendiringa ba efethu man, sicela man ukuphazamisa apha, sizodlala le CD apha, sifuna urapper yabo. So lamajita afake le CD, yeah man, kule CD kukhale le beat le, I think beat ka R Kelly lena yabo, no Asha ingoma yakhona. I think R Kelly no Jay-Z okanye no Asha, I don't know. I think it's, but igama lengoma it's best of both worlds yabo, beat yayo. So they play this beat yabo and I'm like, damn, come and freestyler man yabo. Ndiba freestylele, niggas went crazy and bathe abra kayenze le way man, kazame le way yabo, karepe brand and one. And I'm like, okay, nzayizama le way yabo. Got introduced to enye Grootmani. Le Grootmani was studying for uba ngunesi or ugqirha masitsho yabo. Gama layo nguTamasibu, rest in peace nayo yabo. uTamasibu wandiva naye ke ndirapper. uTamasibu was the first person who introduced to Fruity Loops, because uTamasibu didn't know a thing about Fruity Loops. uTamasibu wayene-computer, wayekhuphela ngala abantu imculo, ifilimu. uTamasibu wandownloadela uFruity Loop kwicomputer yakhe. uTamasibu wathenga imic, yayi-5 Tiger imic yakhona. uTamasibu wanifuna ipantyhose, into iba ipantyhose egqabhikileyo kanozala wami wayethanda upolisha ngayo izihlangu zakhe zecawa, sayenza inet yabo, like ifilter yemic. uTamasibu wanirecorda, uTamasibu wanimamelisa uDr Dre, Eminem yabo, infundisa how to write yabo, how ba maningaleqi rhyme, how to rhyme scheme bone, patterns and all that stuff yabo. Igromani yakhona yandigruma le way to what you see now yabo. If we unfollow each other of social media, if you don't, then you're missing out, bro. You need to follow me right now yabo, because ndihamba ndimnyama ndingumntu TV yabo, ndiphethe abantu aba-top star like, why wouldn't you yabo? But asikolapho. So yeah, ndaba ngumntu ke orepayo yabo, kwecypher ke yabo. Ndifike phana eKasi ke, uyayazi sizihambela kuthiwa yo my nigga yabo, ezawe ya ndinguyo yabo, ndingumjita ohlala eSoweto on Sea but ufunda etown yabo. So that also had like an effect yabo, eyandimoldayo to lo mntu ndinguyo yabo, because if ndiba sesigela yabo, let's say in a situation where kulahleka into eklasini, yabo, people will always say ba makusetshwe ubhaka wala kaka yaseSoweto, yabo, ile yaseSoweto, makusetshwe le yaseSoweto, yabo. If ndisekasi, yabo, ndihleli namajita nje sisiphola ukuthi hayi lena yase town le funde town, bone there was always that thing ba hey man noba ndiphi bone umuntu uzongikhabela ngaphandle, yabo. Whereas mina ndazifumana man ba ekuse yazi intoni man ndizimbrace man lo muntu nguye brand ndingulo mjitu lapha esiphakathini, in fact ndingumacala. Yabo, and I rolled with that, bro, because from there yabo ndibene nabantu abagrand, bro, ndibene nabantu abagrand eKaslamu, ndibene nabantu abagrand eSigela, yabo, both primary and high school, yabo. Azandiye sheme ndolen university ezino, but yani na guys igrand lawe, yabo. But yeah, fethu ndadibana no Heavy K, I think 2012, yabo, ndadibana no Heavy K. Heavy K ngumuntu ove umculo wami. Heavy K uhlala kwalapha because ngiseSoweto. Heavy K usefe plus isikhathi, yabo. Fumaniseke hey John, it was a big thing cousin lami kufika le moto yeKalawa, yabo, Kalawa Jasmine, hey le moto yambo Heavy K, hey phakathi kukho speed, if samkhumbula speed la Romana iqhoma man, uthanda ubeka itawu lapha egxeni, yabo, engathi ibilile zona, yeah no Professor isikhathi ke beyenza zawe bana sinika lento, yabo. I used to roll with those OGs ngasikhathi ka ngicimba manje ndizopopa le, ibone it was like a matter of time ba ndipope because I could already see the way, yabo, like manifesting kanti nah that was like uchacha, yabo, enibonisa ba no bro you're in the right direction, yabo, you continue the way, I'll hook you up, yabo, ngizokudibanisa nabantu abagrand, yabo, as time goes, because now I'm like when I look back at that time, like there was a lot that I had to work on, yabo, in terms of artistry yami, in terms of like finding myself, yabo, as even umuntu, like the individual that I am. I feel like if ngenda popa ngela xesha, bro, like I wouldn't be who I am right now creatively, yabo, and as umuntu, yabo. So that chapter passed, yabo, and ndadibana ninja zami endikhule nazo kakade, but now sidibene estudio saforma igroup ethiwa yi-Champagne Campaign. Champagne Campaign used to be the it thing eBhayi, nangona abantu bebengayazi Champagne Campaign, but i-Champagne Campaign used to be the it thing. Why I say so is because the Champagne Campaign, I remember sneak gig eMotherwell kaMdebs, yabo. First time ndi-attend, xa sifika phana sidibanisana namajita karepayo aphana kuthiwa okay artist masihlale zonke ngapha, fumaniseka amajita yabona ayawami si-artist, yabo, zilawe azifuni uhlala nathi, yabo. So nathi saqona okay fine sasihlale ekoneni yethu, kwafika isikhathi ba ekuse yi-set yethu masingene siperforme ngomokuqala. Xa siperforme ngomesibini, bro, everyone stood up baza bazoyiperforma ingoma yethu nathi word for word, yabo. It was crazy because aqala noya pha igama lengoma at the time was uGanja and Guarana, yabo. It was a long time ago. It was the first trap song eyenziwayo eSouth Africa. Yeah, if you want to beef with it, that's your own thing, but ngela xesha okay oh basenzo mhlobo wami, every time we drop a song namajita niggas would think sidownloadile as beats, yabo, but the beats were made by umjita ethiwa ngu-LT, yabo, Lunatic, yabo, which is ironic because LT ended up losing his mind, yabo, ezwe zasekasi zothakathwa, yabo, nento gama lakhe ngu-Lunatic kodwa umjita. That's the irony in that, yabo. But yeah bro, yabo, senza lo mculo, ndaphela ndiventurisha ndedwa. That project yami ukuqala, project yami was For Better or Worse igama layo, yabo. And that like inspirishwa yintoni, like zi-peers zami, like i-artist endizibukele apha eBhayi, like zisenza ziphusha into zazo, yabo, nentoni. I would always see ba i-artist izophusha iphushe iphelelwe ngumoya, yabo. And it's always lando ba we always have expectations, yabo, ngayo yonke into esiyenzayo, which is not bad le way, yabo. It's good to have a dream, it's good to dream, yabo. It's good to bone ucingela lukhulu ngawe nento yakho nento yenzayo. It's always dope, but ibhlungu la way like when we don't meet the expectations and then ubona phana abantu befumana i-burnout, yabo, abantu bayeke bathini. So I named la project For Better or Worse, yabo. For instance njalo la project is something that you can always go back to, yabo, whether ndiphela ndibantswembu okanye ndiphela bone for worse, go back to la project, dog, and umamele phana yabo. That was when ndangiqala uzikhupha like to the world yabo ba okay uKenji wenzani noku yabo. Fast forward from there bro, ndahlukana nabantu bebeniproducela yabo, nabantu bendirekhoda nabo ndazenzela into yami, ndaqala uyenza ibeat yami ekhaya yabo. Ngixolela umama phana athi funa ngixole ezwe zakho no kacima ezwe yami 808 yabo. So ndayenza enye ingoma, le ngoma ithi Khuzu laselokishini yabo. Ndisayenza le ngoma nje ndidrope Facebook, I mean on all social media, on streaming platforms, Facebook, Instagram, abantu bayahlanya ngale ngoma. Man Kenji ngisoyimi le ngoma. Man Kenji sifuna music video. I drop a music video yale ngoma. uSportscene avele ba ekuse ufuna i-rappers yabo nendo. So I'm like, hey man, kuthiwa usubmita ingoma. Man banikele ngoma. Hey, kakube kudala ntathu uSportscene bayefethu khazapha man. Yabo siyakunita wena. First time yabo ndibhukishelwa i-flight bro. First time ndikhwela plane yabo, anzobe ndizidala out Soweto guys yabo. Ndikone so ndibuye ndiza kunozala yabo olet lami lokho umane ngikhalela bayekachuthele weyakho baye olet. Hey man jonga apha nali itikiti apha, elitikiti lithi ndizokhwela iplane apha yabo ndiya eKapa yabo. With the ticket came another inansika yabo, caba booking yabo ye hotel yabo, 5-star hotel kwapha yabo, i-team na yabo, mpahla Puma yabo, i-team na yabo, mahala kuthiwa bhuti silinde wena ufike uzonyola apha into oyifunayo yabo. All from that song bro bone endiyenze pha kum. And that was when unozala wami yabo started like bone taking le nto yami bone like seriously bone ba hey fethu hey le way yakho le xa ukhwela neplane fonini uthintintini yabo, noma niyenze le way, but ke ndicela nje into eyi-1 ugqibe isikolo yabo nendo which I eventually did yabo, even nangesikhathi ndingena uSportscene. Yeah, I think I did, yeah, because le converse asinayo ngoku iKalawa yayindifuna yabo. So I couldn't go with iKalawa because wayesetshenziswa esikolweni nena ndigqiba isikolo and that window closed yabo nesikolo nalo Kalawa leyo. Shout out to iKalawa though yabo, shout out to AVK yabo, shout out to everyone yabo. But yeah, Sportscene andibize, Sportscene yeah ndenza amawaza phana. I think nandazi if yandazi fethu yami uKenji ke solo kwenza amawaza lewe. I think it's a illness now. Enze kuSportscene, Sportscene Zuchi Coke Dope gave me good feedback. Youngster CPT gave me good feedback. K-Faith gave me good feedback. K-Faith kept in touch. I just recently worked with the K-Faith on a song called Online. We dropped the music video. It was on 100K views in like a week. Crazy. Online is out there and it's online. I also worked with SPCC. Shout out to Ureki, the model. I remember that very well. He hit me up telling me he wanted me to model for Bona. And I'm like, hey bro, I know what you're Muslim. And this nigga's like, bro, please do this. We did it, bro. It was dope. I ended up working again. No SPCC. They hooked me up with clothing, bro, vouchers and shit. Can I say shit? And promo and all that. I worked with a lot of brands, bro, like Stimaroli, Red Bull, MTV, which was a blessing, by the way, because me and my friend Umpo, we shot like a freestyle using this phone. Uploaded the video, MTV hit us up, what is Sapani? Took the video, era go MTV. It was crazy, bro. Ngale phone le. And we also shot, I remember us doing something for SABC 1. We used this phone, bro. And I got invited to Isama's South African Music Awards. Bro, like we did a lot of things, man. Like portfolio in there. Like just go on my socials, guys. Follow me. TV. Like I've got a lot of work, that we're gonna do with Undungumdu TV, like Ndungubani TV, So please, guys, I hope you look out for them, Ndungubani TV. Because right now I just told you, man, Ndungubani, and right now with Undungubani TV, I'm about to show you Ndungubani, but they're expanded. Yeah, bro. So there's a lot coming out. The Sharp is out. We're gonna shoot the video with Undingubani TV. Yeah, bro, and we're gonna promote it. We want the whole of GQ to come out for that one because that is a GQ anthem. We haven't had an anthem in a long time, guys. Yeah, bro. And you know, abantu ring about the influence I know the influence. I understand it. Yeah, bro. Because like everything I do for the Bay, yeah, but whether it's like uplifting artists or creating the platform, which is Bay Trap Station, where artists can connect, see each other, share their work, embrace each other, and all that. Yeah, but sometimes we host gigs. I haven't hosted one in a while though, but Yonge Londo is like something J. You uplifter I culture yasepai dog, because I feel like Tina Pepai, we have the source, but it's strong pan. Yeah, but you're gonna have the source and you're gonna say you need to go to Cape Town, you need to go to Joe's, you need to. I've been to Joe's, I've been to Cape Town, bro. Yeah, bro, still dope. Yeah, bro, still the dopest. Yeah, bro, conditini, kindoni, I'm a channel dog. There's always gatekeepers in every city. Yeah, bro, so you can't come when uzofuna uzapepai. We have by gatekeepers. Not saying I'm one of them, yeah, bro, but I'm just saying, bro. But yeah, there's a lot of work that's gonna come, bro. Yeah, bro. New music, Prochizi, Kenji TMZ, AK, Undaba Ezithu, Chill Bite Inja. Yes. So watch out for that. Yeah, bro. Dim low, man, guys. Go see me. Yeah, bro. Shout out.